Alright, so, how are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Today, I just, to my buddy's house and picked something up real quick. I was trying out a new flavor of, of nicotine pouch, because, you know, I'm just like your average, everyday nicotine addict, although, I'm glad I don't vape or smoke anymore. I was, you know, now I'm mainly using pouches like Zins and Velos. That's actually where I'm going right now. I'm going to 7-Eleven to pick up some of my own. I just stopped by his house because it was on the way, and he said he tried this new brand Zone, and he got these spearmint ones. Usually I don't like the mint flavors, but I was curious and he offered, so I was like, screw it, I'll go by, I'll try it out, see if I end up liking the flavor. You never know. So gave it a shot. It's currently in my mouth and it tastes pretty solid. So yeah, today's a beautiful day. I'm testing out a new setting on the camera here. I guess you could call this technically my first motovlog, because I might actually end up posting this one. I'm not entirely sure yet. But, you know, if this does end up being my first motovlog, hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is PureFlight, and I'm just a pretty regular dude who likes to ride his motorcycle. I have a 2002 Yamaha V-Star 650. My first bike. I've been riding for a little over a year. There's a cop right here. Let him go. Make sure everything is set up. Okay, cop's letting us go. Make sure to watch our speed here. Not sure. He's not behind us, but that's okay. Hey, we got another biker buddy out here. Hell yeah. What's up, man? How we doing? Hey, yo, that's fire. That's an OG right there. He's got his girl on the back, chilling on the old Harley Street Glide. Dude, you love to see it, man. It's a good day today. You know, I went to work, had a pretty solid day. Went to the gym afterward. After that, got some nice food. I went to this local chicken spot, which was good. I ended up getting a whole half of a rotisserie chicken and some fries, some coleslaw, you know, some real good eating. So yeah, it was a great post-gym snack. Definitely an awesome way to fuel up for right now, going out on this ride. So, I'm thinking it's going to be kind of a short ride, but we're just going to feel it out and see what happens. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and head over to 7-Eleven here, pick up some of those pouches, and then I think I'll probably just take the long way home. Maybe I'll go into town. I'm not really sure yet, but let's watch out right here. There's some serious construction. I got to kind of cut into the other lane because I'd rather not ride through all that shit. But, yeah, man, this is beautiful. The sun's shining. It's starting to go down. So, we still got some hours of daylight left, at least. And thankfully, with this helmet, I got the LS2 Advant X. It's got one of those little switches in it, those little levers you can flip, and you have a darkened visor come across your eyes. So, it's pretty fucking sweet. Let's hope this lady doesn't pull out in front of me and kill me. Oh, never mind. That's a dude. Appreciate you, brother. Thanks for letting me go and not pulling out like a dumbass. Well, yeah, this is pretty nice. I'm just kind of cruising forward, bruising right through this intersection here. There's like nobody out right now. I mean, there's plenty of cars out, of course, so I don't really know what I'm saying, but you know, for it being, I think it's like 6:30 right now. I don't know. I haven't really checked the time. For it being this time on a, yo, what the fuck is this guy doing? Holy shit. Thank you, ma'am. Yo, that was sketch. I'm glad I got that shit on camera. What the fuck? Yo, people be wildin'. Right as I was saying that there's not that many crazy people out right now. Man, praise God, baby. Shit. That is exactly the type of thing that the world likes to throw at you. Just for the sake of irony, you know? You're saying everything's going well, and then next thing you know, there's a fucking idiot pulling out right in front of you. and then stopping in the middle of the lane. Thankfully, I had adequate time to stop, so it wasn't a big deal. But, there's the 7-Eleven right ahead, the, Sunoco over there. The 7-Eleven's attached to it. But, chilling here, watching all the cars go by. It's a good day, man. It's a good day. Alright, green light, here we go. Let's cruise right on over, shall we? Alright, this person's kind of in the way. Alrighty, well, we're here. I thought I need gas. I don't know why I repositioned this. I really don't need gas, but I'll be right back. We'll get back to it in a second. Bloop. How's it going, man? Can I also get some of the Dragon Fruit Velos, please? The 7. Alright, thanks, man. Have a good one. Okay, we're back. Package secured. Got what I needed to get. It looks like everybody's clearing out of the gas station right now, too. I ended up getting the, not the pouches I was looking for, but my second favorite flavor, which I haven't had in a while. Hey, bike started up first try. Sweet, we don't have to worry. Ended up getting my second favorite flavor. And, what was I gonna say? I also picked up some iced teas from the Real Tea Company, because those are fucking good, man. I started getting those recently, instead of getting like energy drinks and all that unhealthy shit. Started getting those Real Tea Company drinks, and man, they're pretty fucking good. I'll be honest, there's like 5 calories in each one. Fucking, like, no sugar, no carbs, none of that nastiness, and it doesn't have all those like dyes or chemicals in it. I'm not one to preach about, you know, health and all that, although I am a pretty healthy guy. Yeah, I don't know, man. They're good, though. Check them out if you haven't already. The Real Tea Company. Not sponsored, of course. But, yeah, if you ever find them in, like, a local convenience store, 7-Eleven or something, definitely give it a shot. Especially the Southern Sweet Tea one. That one was hard as fuck. Anyway, having a nice smooth ride. These roads are kind of fucked, so I don't know about a smooth ride, but doing the best we can. I'm trying to think where I want to go. I definitely don't want to go home just yet. So, I don't know. I think we're just gonna wing it and ride out, figure something out here. Maybe we hop on the highway? I don't know. I don't really want to be out too long, and this is kind of a test anyway. My first little moto vlog, truly, that I might post. I still don't know. I'm still undecided. I might not post it. Dude behind us wants to get in front of me, eh? Hell nah. That's when we do a little pull. Because he's not driving like an asshole, he's just driving slow. So I would much rather be in front of the slow person than a dumbass, you know what I mean? Maybe he's slow and stupid, but I like to see the good in people, you know? Let's hope that they're not slow and stupid, and just assume that it's an old seasoned grandma or grandpa, and they're just trying to be safe, going nice and slow, and following the rules of the road and whatnot. Although, I don't know about following the rules of... Sorry, that was a little sketch. I was worried those guys were going to come in my lane. I gotta get better at that, at kind of talking through focus-based scenarios. I mean, it's probably better that I shut the fuck up and I lock in. But, I don't know, man. We're just vibing. That's kind of the beauty of motovlogging and why I wanted to start doing this in the first place. Because anybody can do it. It's pretty simple. You know, I'm just talking to myself and there's a camera recording what's going on my bike. So, yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna let this guy go. I don't trust this intersection. Go ahead. Yep, there you go. And now it's my turn. Alright. Got some ladies up here walking a dog. Let's not disturb them too much. Give them a little wave. She gave me the nod back. She's like, yo, what the fuck is this guy doing? The only motorcycle out here today. Actually, no, that's a lie, because we saw the Harley dude and his girl before. Yeah, absolute legends. You know, it's a simple joy in life, but I really do love the feeling of doing like the biker wave, you know, the 2 fingers down, because I don't know, man, it just makes you feel some type of weird connection with other bikers when you see them, when you ride past, you know. You're both out here sharing a fun hobby, but a dangerous one. So it's like you both kind of acknowledge what's going on. You get on this other lane, get over this UPS truck so I don't fucking die. Fun fact, I actually used to work as a UPS driver. Yeah, that was a fun experience. Going a little too fast. That sign's clocking me at 40. This road's only 30. But I don't know. It feels good today. I'm in a good mood. I don't really have too much to talk about right now. I still gotta get used to it again. You know, I'm not sure if when I post this, I'm gonna delete all my old videos from when I was younger. I might just say fuck it and keep them, because I don't know, why not? It's good memories, I guess. But yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna keep them up. I'm gonna post this, so y'all get to see me grow up if you go back in the channel, really. So I used to do this stuff all the time. Used to make a whole lot of gaming videos, but now that I'm, you know, I don't know, I kind of fell out of love with doing the YouTube thing, at least with gaming. You know, it's still a passion of mine. It's still fun. I just haven't done it in a long time. But this whole MotoVlogging thing is really appealing to me because the opportunity that comes from it. Like I said before, it's really just me, just one dude talking into a camera and into a microphone in my head, in my helmet, and you know, we could try to make it entertaining. But at the end of the day, you know, nothing is more entertaining than riding your own motorcycle. So I don't know, man. We'll see if people want to watch this shit or not. I'm not pressed on the matter. Such a sketchy intersection. Thankfully, there's nobody coming from either direction, so it's all smooth sailing. Now, there is a spot up here, this lake that me and the boys used to go to a lot when we were younger. Got up to all sorts of shenanigans over there. I think I'm gonna head over there and, I don't know, do a couple laps in the parking lot just to buy myself some time out here on the road. And then, you know, I'll come home, call it a night, edit this up, and see how it goes. But this is one gnarly hill, though, so get ready for this. It's pretty fucking sweet. A little bit sketchy, because there's a lot of potholes and, you know, manhole covers that you gotta watch out for. But regardless, it's still a fun hill to go down. I mean, let's be honest here. I'm a dude. I'm sure anybody watching this, most of you are gonna end up being dudes. And you know, this fucking guy could have put his signal on a whole lot earlier. He chose not to. Thankfully, this is why we keep a safe riding distance from people, because you never know what somebody's gonna end up doing. You never know if their signal is really where they're gonna turn. Riding a motorcycle is interesting, right? Because you have to be hyper vigilant about everything on the road, everything around you, everything you're doing. And that's kind of like part of the beauty of it, though, because like most would hear that and think, oh, that's probably so stressful. But once you're a semi-experienced rider, even a new rider who at least knows like the basic, you know, way to ride. What the fuck was that guy doing? Holy shit, he was literally riding the center line. As I'm talking about people doing stupid shit, this is what I'm saying. You have to always expect the unexpected on a motorcycle, because you really can't trust anything that that people do in order to be safe. Now, I had an accident a little over a year ago now on this bike. Thankfully, I didn't total it. I just fucked up the saddlebags and my headlight. Thankfully, I didn't hit a car. What actually ended up happening, for those that are curious, was I hit a fucking deer. Other riders will probably know, deer are one of the scariest things on a bike, because at least with a car, you could try to anticipate people doing dumb shit, but a deer, I mean, even if you just drive a car, you could still understand. Deer just jump right out in front of you. No fucks given, no care in the world. So, yeah, it can be a little scary sometimes, but here we are at the lake. I don't know how much of a good view we'll get here, but I'm gonna do a little bit of a lap and low speed turning practice real quick, you know. Always gotta keep up with your practice. You know, most motorcycle accidents happen at low speed anyway, so important to practice all your little maneuvers, like you're leaning, really getting that knee to the ground. I mean, on a bike like this, not necessarily getting the knee to the ground, but you know, practice your leaning, practice your emergency braking, your swerving, and all types of stuff. You know, it's fun to do. We're gonna keep it light though. I think I just wanted to stop by and see what the vibe was, because sometimes this lake is dead and other times it is completely popping. So you never know what kind of craziness you can get into. My bike is stuck in neutral. What is going on? Alright, we're back in first. We're good. Nobody's coming. We are out. Let's go. We are gonna go home now. I'm gonna cut the footage, probably down this next road, because I'm not really trying to dox myself. Not that I'm doing anything bad, but you know, I'm just not. I'm a somewhat private person. I'd like to keep my home under wraps for random internet viewers. Coming pretty much right back the way we came. I'm gonna take the long way to my place. But anyway, you know, if anybody does watch this, I hope y'all enjoyed it. You know, it was just a simple little ride, trip to the gas station, got some drinks and some nicotine, and you know, just had a nice little evening ride here. And yeah, you know, I don't really know how to sign off on this, but I hope anybody who watches this enjoys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not going to get all fancy on you and tell you to click the bell, because to tell you the truth, half the time those notifications don't work anyway. But anybody who came with me for the ride, hope you have a fantastic day or night or afternoon or whatever time it is that you're watching this. And yeah, this has been PureFlight, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.